A very warm welcome to the USAID Bulletin. I am Meena Tariq. In today's USAID Bulletin, we'll be taking a look at USAID's support in agricultural innovations in Pakistan. Pakistan's agriculture sector employs more than 40% of the nation's workforce and is a key driver of the country's economic growth. Through its partnership with the government of Pakistan, USAID contributes to growing a vibrant and profitable agricultural industry through the adoption of innovative technology, training, and support of the community. USAID funded the Agricultural Innovation Program, or AIP, which has increased agricultural productivity and economic growth in the agriculture sector through the development and dissemination of new agricultural technologies such as improved machinery and seed innovations. In 2019, with USAID support, Pakistan introduced 20 new high-yielding and disease-resistant varieties of wheat and maize. As a result, more than 211,000 individuals have applied innovative technologies and farming management practices on nearly 367,000 hectares around the country. USAID also helped introduce innovative and climate-conscious machinery, which has proven to improve agricultural yields, lower costs, and decrease carbon emissions. These technologies include the Happy Seeder, two-wheel tractor, rice and mung bean harvester. USAID-funded Agricultural Innovation Program also established vocational training, workshops, and hands-on experience for Pakistanis to improve their technological and economic skills. In Azad Jammu and Kashmir's town of Siana Daman, USAID helped establish 20 vocational centers to provide women with gardening and farming skills to support their families. With support from the USAID's Small Grants and Ambassadors Fund program, 300 women now have the opportunity to grow healthy, organic food for their families and increase their economic productivity. Furthermore, Potohar Organization for Development Advocacy, PODA, with the help of USAID, transformed the roles of approximately 500 women farmers from farming assistants to frontline farmers in a district historically reluctant to include women in the industry. The women attended training on tunnel farming, compost farming, seed preservation, legal and financial literacy, marketing skills, and the efficient use of water. This increased crop productivity by 40 to 50% and is a testament to their skills and knowledge of innovative farming techniques. Another example is a USAID-funded Satpara development project. The project established new fruit orchards and fruit nurseries for producing quality fruits in the area. The project introduced passive greenhouse technology to the area. Through this technology, the community is now able to enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables throughout the winter months. And meanwhile, producers are seeing increased profits. Our reporter has put together a report for you. Let's take a look.
नाहिद फातिमा बड़ी मुश्किल जिंदगी गुजार रही थी। कभी कपड़े की सिलाई करके तो कभी आटे की पिसाई से बमुश्किल 100 से 150 रुपए कमा पाती थी, जो कि 3 लोगों के लिए नाकाफ़ी होता था। इसके साथ साथ वो अपनी ज़मीन की देखभाल भी करती थी। उसकी ज़िंदगी में एक नया मोड़ तब आया जब उसे मिल्लत 11 के बेहतर कारकर्दगी वाले बीजों के बारे में मालूम हुआ। ये USAID के प्रोग्राम एग्रीकल्चर इनोवेशन प्रोग्राम की जानिब से दिए गए। आइए देखते हैं कि कैसे नाहिद की ज़िंदगी में ये तब्दीली आई।
साड़ी कुड़ियों की तंजीम बनी गई, मीटिंग हुई है, असा को दसा है बी अच्छे ना तो उतो असा बीज तस्दीक शुदा मिला। जड़ा बीज मिले ने मिलत 11 उससे जो 300 किलो फसल हुई है। तकड़े चे फसल अच्छी है, सिट्टा भी अच्छा है और देखने चे हिक जमीन से हिक जाइए फसल। हाँ इतना है कि दाने बनवे न घर ने भू बनवे ना माले ना 150 घर रख के दे दुआ जड़े नाल पड़ोसी है उन्हें ना बदली करके दिखाने वास्ते चा जमीन अड़ी माँ में। मैं चाहनी है कि सारे लोग मेरी तरह मेहनत करें और इस जमीन का हक अदा करें।
It's time to have a look at what we have for you in our next bulletin. As always, thank you so much for watching. We look forward to your suggestions and your comments, and we'll see all of you again next week.